In this episode, we are in Kalkulam Palace, which is also known as Padmanabhapuram Palace. The palace is situated near Takkale, Kanyakumari district of Tamil Nadu. However, the state government of Kerala has owned the administration of the whole palace. When I came inside the palace, the faculties of the castles have never allowed me to take any video inside the premises. Later, I found there is only photographies are allowed inside the palace. So, though they are charging 2,100 rupees for a single DSLR camera and 20 rupees for a mobile camera. However, I managed to shoot this video secretly without their knowledge. So I would like to ask my viewers, so please bear with my camera composition if it is bad. This palace covers 6.5 acres and this palace is owned by the Maharaja of Travancore, Iravi Varma Kulashegara Perumal. The palace is constructed during the 1601 years of Common Era. I will start from the front view of this palace. Okay, now let's see one of the oldest palaces in India. So this is the big hall now bare, which can accommodate around 1,000 people at the same time. And this is the place where the ceremonial feasts were held during the auspicious occasions. See how the ceilings are crafted beautifully. Some rooms are mostly inaugurated with the wooden decors. And this wooden cart was made up to 64 wooden pieces of varieties of medical trees trunks. The woods are polished stone scards and meant for the cool effects. You can see this windows designs, right? It's totally unique and so beautiful to see when you feel this place. This is the place which is situated on the first floor of the Navaratri Mandapam. And here we can secretly see the dancing hall, and this is the place where the king and his ministers used to watch the dance performance and the cultural activities. Now we are moving towards the next part of this palace, and there is a path to connect the next section of this palace. This is a toilet which was constructed during the 15th century. It's an Indian made toilet, right? So the style is Indian, not a Western. This palace complex continues to be one of the best example of traditional Kerala architecture, and some portion of the following complex are also the hallmark of a traditional Kerala style architecture. Still, we can see the performance hall even in the pathway towards the next section of this palace. The performance hall is situated at the center of the palace, so it can be seen at any directions in the center. So this is the other end of this palace. So we reach the next section. It's the other way of this palace. So we can also see this performance hall at this place also. And this is the gallery of painting which just illustrates the incidents from the history of Travancore. Just look at the roofing technique and its design. This is which has so much of details in the wooden craft. In every place, not only this. This palace is full of wooden craft in everywhere. Even in windows, we can see that in the windows. We can see that in the pillars and everywhere. With so much of details. This is the place which is the most oldest part of this palace, and it is situated in the southern regions of the palace. This is the place called Thai Kottaram, and it's about 400 years old, and now it serves as an heritage museum exhibiting old antiques, household articles, and some collections of items are given to insight into the social and cultural ethos of that period. At last, we are entering into the final complex of this palace with this beautiful view of Padmanabhapuram village on this huge balcony. This is another side of balcony which faces inside the palace premises. This is the most notable part of the royal complex, which is called Upiri, which means multi-store. These are the places and royal treasuries have been stored under this royal complex in the ground floor. Spectators are not permitted inside. And there are few more places in this palace, but I don't know, some routes are diverted by the organization. In future, people want to visit this palace in essence. I will share the locations in this description. Please find the attachments in the description. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.